Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can enter a journal in Zoho. It's pretty easy thing to do. So how you can do it? In Zoho Books, a journal entry is a record of a business transaction, either manually entered or automatically generated by the software. It's a way to track financial activity and maintain accurate records of your company's transactions. Think of it as a snapshot of the transaction, documenting details like who was involved, what was exchanged, and the amounts involved. So how we can do it? It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open Zoho Books, then go to accountant section, then select manual journal from here. Then after selecting manual journal, select new journal, then select notes, select journal type, select your project name, select currency, select your account and account description, select contact, then you can add another line. If you have any file to upload, you can attach them to click here. Then after doing everything, just select save and publish, and that's it. That's how you can add journal entry on Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.